Your drill uses a rocker switch that allows you to change the direction the tool rotates simply by pressing one side or the other. Over time, the switch will wear, causing the tool to no longer turn on, or only turn on intermittently. Replacing the switch is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing one half of the handle. Now I have access to the switch. I'll remove it from the opposite housing, remove the rubber boot, and note the location of the wires before removing them. I'll remove each of the wires from the switch. Now I can install the new switch. First, I'll reinstall each of the wires. I'll start with the orange. Then the blue. Next is the black. And last, the purple. And I'll go back to make sure I have each of the screws tightened in one fell swoop. I'll reinstall the rubber boot and place the switch back into the housing. And I'll finish by reinstalling the handle. And that's how easy it is to replace the switch in your power tool. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up.